Mr. Metelsky here, and this video will be covering how to find the point-slope form of a line when you are given both a point and the slope. So I have a point, negative 3, 7, and I have the slope value, slope is 2, and our goal is to put it into point-slope form. Well, first we need to remember what point-slope form is, and it looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times a quantity of x minus x1. All three of these pieces are interchangeable. The y1, the m, and also the x1. So those three parts will be changed into numbers based on what we're given. Well, the point that we're given is negative 3, 7. That's going to be our x1 and our y1. So if we were to color code this, our x1 we color coded yellow, so this is going to be yellow. Our y1 we color coded green, so that's going to be this part here. And our slope we colored pink, so slope is 2. So all we do is we substitute the values into their different colors, and we should be good to go. So we have y minus y1, which is 7, equals m, so m, the value is 2, times the quantity of x, minus x1, which is yellow, x1 was negative 3. So this is our point-slope form. Now we could clean this up a little bit by changing the parentheses, x minus negative 3, to x plus 3, because we have that double negative in there. So this really becomes y minus 7 equals 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. And that is our official point-slope form that passes through this point and has that slope.